In this guide, we're going over the very best Todo combos here in Jujutsu Shenanigans. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you can go ahead and do the pebble throw combo. To do this, you just need to use pebble throw, and then while your pebble's in midair, press R, which is brute force, and then press R again right as you kick. Now, obviously, this does rely on pretty good timing, but this is a good combo. On top of that, for method number 2, which is the exact same, but a better timing variant, you could use pebble throw and then press R exactly when the pebble hits the enemy. Both methods obviously are going to be pretty good. Now, for a basic combo flow, you could also go ahead and start with pebble throw and then chain into brute force and then follow with M1s, which is just those basic attacks, and then add abilities after knockback as well. This goal and this breakdown for this combo is just keeping pressure, so just don't let them escape. What you can also do is a mixed range plus melee attack combo, and you can use your abilities during stun windows, which will allow you to have time hits and extend combos. Just make sure you're staying aggressive, but you don't spam randomly. And on top of that, if you're trying to get an ult combo, just use your ultimate after a confirmed hit or stun, and then chain from brute force or knockdowns and maximize damage while the enemy cannot move. It really is as simple as that. That is some simple combos that you could go ahead and use with Todo. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.